Hello, children. Hope you all are fine. Dear children, do you know which topic we are going to discuss today? Yes, we are going to discuss about the topic our neighborhood. First of all, let's know about our neighborhood. Any place near to our house is our neighborhood. We live in a neighborhood. We live in an area where a number of other families live. The other families live quite close to where we live. They are our neighbors. So people living in our neighborhood are our neighbors. People living next to us are our next door neighbors. Now, dear children, let's know some important places in the neighborhood. A neighborhood has places that provide services to us. We don't have to go far away to do things. Some of the important places in the neighborhood should be school. School is said to be our second home. It is a place for study. A neighborhood should have schools and colleges to impart education to each child in a family. A neighborhood has schools and some also have colleges. They are useful for children to learn reading and writing. The next important place is market. We need many things in our day-to-day life. For example, food, clothes, pencils, and books. All these things are sold in a market. We can buy items that we need every day from the market, like fresh fruits and vegetables, grocery and stationery items are available there. The next important place is hospital. A hospital is a place where sick people are treated and taken care of. Doctors and nurses work at the hospitals. They give medicines and cure the patients. Now, post office. Every neighborhood has a post office that makes it easy to send and receive letters. We write letters to our friends, relatives, and others. It helps us to stay in touch with them. We drop these letters in a red post box. Postman works at a post office. They collect our letters and packages and deliver them to us. The next important place is police station. A police station is a place where thieves are taken to when they are caught. Policemen work in a police station. Police station helps to maintain the security of the people living there. We must respect the police for their courage and dedication. Now, the next place is bank. People keep money and valuables here. Now, dear children, it's very essential that we should respect our neighbors. How should we behave with our neighbors? Yes, we should be friendly with our neighbors. We must greet our neighbors politely whenever we meet them. Our behavior is an important factor in maintaining relations. We must celebrate together. We must go to their house or invite them over for festivals and celebrations. We must help our neighbors when we needed, whenever needed, especially if there is any elder in our neighborhood, we should help him. We should not disturb our neighbors by playing music at a high volume when we celebrate birthdays or festivals. Now, dear children, how should we keep our neighborhood? Yes, we should keep our neighborhood neat and clean. We must make sure that we throw all the litter in the garbage bins. We must not throw the waste of our houses on the roads. Keep the neighborhood green. For that, what should we do, students? Yes, we should plant more and more trees. While playing in the park, we must not pluck flowers and run over plants. We must not litter in the park. This was all for today's topic. Hope you enjoyed today's topic. Thank you and have a nice day.